Hi guys, and so today I'm back with my another gaming video of Minecraft. So today I want to show you that how am I progressing in my Minecraft, like since I have purchased Minecraft now. So which were my first or second house, I'll be showing you that. And I want to make some videos in Hindi now. Yeah, and really I am very I want to make them in Hindi now. That gives you a kind of a good feel, you can show your expressions freely. So I'll be making some videos in English or Hindi also now. Okay, if you have any doubts you can tell me in the comment section. Okay, so I'll be showing you my house with the help of this ender pearl. Nowadays I'm using ender pearl very all the time, as I like it. It's just so much cool. Yeah, now we're here. So this is my house. This is a normal house, as you can see, with some stained glass, a wrapped fungus door. Here are my tube lights, 2 lime beds, a cartography table, a crafting table, and a furnace and a ender chest. And if we get out, here are many creatures which I have spawned, like these bees, these some of the pigs, and they were pandas also. Yeah, here is one panda. There were 3-4 in here first, and also those parrots, but I don't know where are they now. Let's just leave them and go up to this place. I choose this place. Why? There must be some kind of reason, as you think. Oh, see, there are more pandas in here, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. There are total 6 pandas. And yeah, I was on why did I choose this place to make my house. So I was just wandering around trying to find myself a good place to make my house, and then only I found this island. So I thought, oh no, this place, I thought, oh, a river is cutting through this place, I should leave this. But when I realized, I saw that this was a kind of a beautiful island. Yeah, it's kind of filled with water on the boundaries. So I started my first build in here, which was this we can say bridge. Yeah, from here light prismarine stairs, from here stone prismarine stairs, from here lodestone, then chains, then this dark prismarine, and then when we come back, so that's all the same. And I'm also having some underwater creatures which I really want to show you, like these turtles. And what else do we have? I don't also even remember. There must be some creatures around here. There must be yeah, there's one more turtle. Total 3 turtles till now. 4 turtles. Anything else? Okay, I think there are no more. Okay, I think they died. What else could it be? They killed themselves? Could be this only. Yeah, something like this. So let's just leave this and sleep for now. Oh, no, wait. Now I know how to use the cheats. So I'll just change the time. See? Now it's going to be sunrise. And as you can see, the night time suddenly changed into sunrise. See? The sun is coming up. Okay, so today, what else do we have? Let's check out other, what can I say, houses, home, which I've got. Okay, so this is my second, not house, a build. Yeah, I can say build. So let's check this out. Okay, so we're here now, and let me show you. I've made a zoo. Yeah. Dun dun dun. Here's my zoo. Like, I thought it would be much more bigger, but just because of that, there was no more flat place in here. Only this much flat place was available, so I had to make it a bit smaller. Like, these polar bears have got a bit bigger, these llamas have got a much smaller place, these are the horses, then come the donkeys, then the mules, then the pandas, and then the foxes. And then here are some special creatures, and we can say VIP creatures. Okay, so the first are the turtles, second are the fishes, third are the dolphins. Like, dolphins keep killing themselves, so that's why add enough. Like, why enough? So as because if one dies, the second one was dying. See, one just died. And so, like, if I just spawned one, so what happens? It will just die after 1 minute. But here are so many, so it will take time for them to die. Then here are some of the parrots, which are here with the phantoms, I think. And so on the other, like, there were also phantoms. See, they are still here, the phantoms. And I'm still working on a big dolphin show. Yeah, so like people can come and see the dolphin show as usual they see in real life. I'm just working on it, but it's just too hard for one person. So what can I say? It will take much more time. I have made it of this much area. It will go all the way up to I think so till here. Yeah, it has to go till here. I decided that before I made this, but it's still taking so much time as because I'm alone, and as the pandemic is going on, I can't invite, like, now before this all pandemic, my sister used to come to my house sometimes to visit me, and at that time we were both at the same server. We used to play together in Minecraft or Craftsman, and after that, like, our builds were much more easier as they were 2 person. But as because of this pandemic, I cannot invite my sister to my server, and that's also a problem. And the second problem is that the realms are now switched off in my device. Why? As because my realms weren't working just because of some type of sign in Xbox, which I didn't do. Yeah, like, I didn't wanted to sign in Xbox, and like, I don't want to just waste my time in signing up. And like, I just tried it once. Like, it must be just sign up, you will get a OTP, just put that OTP again in your like, they will come, enter the OTP, and then it will finish up. I tried it once, but it was just too hard. There were too many steps to do, and there was written by the, I think, Notch or Jeb, that that many players are having this same problem, that their servers are also not working, and they're truly working on that. And that's why, like, at first the servers were switched on. Like, you can anytime go on to the servers option, and in there you can just go and join any world. But from the time this problem has came, like, no one is able to join anyone else's server, but still it was switched on, the server option. But now the Minecraft has switched off that server button, and so no one can enter to the server place again. Like, it is a big problem. And yeah, by the way, sorry, I forgot to tell you. I had to tell you this thing in the beginning only that this video is sponsored by Innovative Collection. It's a collection like you can find it on Facebook. It's a kind of collection where you can go out and check out things for your home. There are like clothes, women suits in there, and also home accessories like decorations for your home. So you can just go and check out the link. The link is in the description box. You can go and check out the link, and there you can find many things for your home sweet home. Like there are also decorations and many more things, and there are also clothes and that all. Remember, the link is in the description box. I'm telling again, you can go and check that out. Okay, so the next world I was on survival. I don't know. Yeah, I was having one more idea for this. What can I say for this video? That we'll be fighting the what? We'll be fighting whom? I need to think that who will we be fighting in creative mode only. Yeah. So we'll be fighting like it's a surprise for you. Okay, let's just wait. It's a surprise. So after seeing this structure, do you remember anything? Yeah, it's a wither. Wow. So yeah, I've just spawned a wither, which is very bad. I know that, as because withers are like so much destruct. Oh no. I made him go. No. Is he going towards my zoo? No. I don't want him to go. I'll just kill him. Kill him up. Oh no. He's running away. I need something to lock him up. But we can't just lock up a wither. He can go through anything leaving bedrock. Like he can even go through obsidian. He just attracts it towards itself. It's just too hard to fight him up. What should we do? Oh no, the sun is like looking kind of weird. I need to kill him, but with what? Oh, the cows are also running away from him. I'm having the totem of undying. What if I use that? Let me just get that one more time. Totem of undying. Okay, so now where is he? Here he is. This should do much more damage to him. Yeah, see, he's running away from this thing. Like, which is kind of weird. But it's not that much damage as I thought. Oh, just come on, man. Kill yourself. You're of no use in this world. And you know that, right? So just back off. You're of no use. You know that. I'll just lock him up. Oh, no. I've did the wrong thing. I need to do this all over again. Okay. Calm down. Cool down. Nothing is going to happen. Cool down. Oh, okay. He has made a hole in the wall. I need to repair it up before he does anything else. Very weird. He's doing it again. Please just stop this wither. I'm not a friend of yours that you're trying to destruct my world and then just say sorry. I need to build the wall with something much more stronger and powerful, but I'm not having anything right now. I have just got these prismarines, which I just use them anyways, because I'm not having time before he gets to my zoo and kill all of my animals, precious animals, and also the structure of theirs. What if he just destroys all the things? Okay, this wall looks pretty good. This one also. Let's try with the trident. Wow, what a rhyme. Okay. Do this. Oh no, the trident made him angry, and much more than I thought. Oh. Okay. So now he's going down to the earth, which I didn't want it. Oh no, he's going much more. Back off. He's electrified. Now he'll try to escape. See, he's spawning withers. As now he's low on health and he does not want to kill himself. That's why he charged himself and made these withers. And as you know, when he was was like having much more health, like 2 more % than this, he was trying to dig up, as he knew that after some time he's going to die. And now he's electrified and he's trying to spawn these withers, but he don't know that I'm on creative and he can't kill me, but I can kill him. See, he's going all the way down to iron ore. Wow, he's got something for us, which is great. Okay, we're too deep now. We need to kill him fast. Just kill yourself, man. You're of no use now, and you also know that. I think this all happened just because of the trident. We should use that again. I don't know if it is working or not. No, the trident isn't working. Oh, it's going to just blow up. I don't want to see that coming. Oh, man. Whoa, he just blew up. Wow, and just gave so many things, so much experience. And what else? Whoa, a nether star. I need that. It was a nether star. Wow. Okay, so guys, I think this much was enough for today, and I'll be meeting you in my next video. And do try out the collection I told you about, innovative collection. The link is, again I'm telling you that the link is in the description box. You can go and check that out. It has ideas about for your home, for women clothing, and for kids wearing also, and also has watches. Yeah, cool. It's having all type of accessories. Please go and check that out. And till then, please take care and bye.